In this video, I'll show you how to process drone survey data that was collected for volume calculation. We'll process this data on 3D survey and then calculate the volumes. Let's get started by opening 3D survey. Select New Project. Navigate to the folder with all the images. Select all the images, then select Open. We'll select Applicable Coordinate System. Then select Import. We'll select on Download to download the required file. The data has been imported successfully, and we can also see the area where the data was collected. The first step is bundle adjustment. We'll select on bundle adjustment. For bundle adjustment mode, we will use global. We'll select the show more option. And for orientation, we will use auto. This will allow for the software to detect if the accuracy is centimeter level accuracy to do the orientation using telemetry data. We'll select on OK to start bundle adjustment. As you can see, telemetry orientation is also being done. The bundle adjustment process is complete, also with the telemetry orientation. We can see this by looking at the 3D error. The next step will be to run Reconstruction. We'll select on Reconstruction, and then on Point Cloud, we'll set this to medium. We will not run the 3D mesh and the orthophoto. We'll select on OK to start reconstruction. Reconstruction is now complete. Let's now do classification. We'll select on classification. We'll adjust the regular grid mesh cell size. Then select Next. Select an area that we know is the ground. Select Next. Check and verify that our classification is right. If there's any areas that we want to change, we can change it. I'm quite happy with this. We'll select on Finish. Untick Unassigned and Never Classified. Then select Clear. The next step, we'll calculate a regular grid mesh. We'll select on Mesh, then select Calculate Regular Grid Mesh. We can then set the grid cell size. I'll set a grid cell size of 30 centimeters, then select Calculate. Our regular grid mesh has now been calculated. Let's now calculate volumes. We'll select the area where we want to calculate the volume. After selecting, we'll select Calculate Volume. For Initial Surface, we'll select Interpolate Surface, and then we'll select from Current Selection. Our volume has been calculated. We can give this volume a name. Then select OK. We can proceed to select another area where we want to calculate the volume. We'll select on clear first, then select the area where we want to calculate the volume. We can select calculate volume, initial surface, interpolate surface, and then from current selection. We'll give the stockpile a name, then select OK. We can go under volumes, and then we'll be able to see all the stockpiles where we've calculated the volume. We can see the total fill area and the total cut area, which will also give us a total volume for both the two stockpiles. We can also export a measurement report, which will give us a report with the volumes of the stockpiles that we have calculated. This is how you go about processing your data on 3D survey and calculating volumes.